Why do astronauts make good traders? Because they know all about space. Okay, bad joke aside, what I want to talk about in this video is absolutely critical to your trading. The concept of space is something that I look at before I enter any trade, any single trade I take. I need to see space. Take a look at this chart here. We can draw some basic support resistance levels on here, okay? Right, there we go. Okay, so we have quite a lot of consolidation in that area, some there, some there. Overall, a lot of traffic. Now let's say this bar here, okay, I'll use this, I'll tell you what I'm pointing to. This red bar here, this bearish bar. Now let's say that bar had closed lower, okay, below the previous bar. So let's say it closed down here. That's a very bearish looking bar, you know, a very, very interesting bar. Now, aside from the fact that it's at, you know, not a great area of support and resistance, it could be something you might consider going into. But the fact that all this traffic is here, all this previous area where price was sort of consolidating for a while, up high, then down low, and breaking up through again. Before price is going to make a decent move, it's got to get through all this, you know, previous. There's going to be previous orders there. There's going to be buyers who were buying last time. You know, there's a lot to get into just now, but what you want is space. What you want is essentially not this, but this. You want a big free area of space. Now let's take a look at this bar here. Okay, now this bar isn't really an entry on its own, but it could be considered one. But you know, for the purpose of what I'm trying to explain here, it's a good example. Now we have the 1.2600 round number here. Okay, so we have price breaking above this previous resistance area here and closing above this round number. Now, if we zoom out a little bit, and this is the bar here, just in case you're unsure, we can see that there is a massive amount of space here. Okay, so yes, we have a little bit of resistance here, but like I said, price has just closed above that. Now, in the next support or resistance level would be around about here. Now, if I scroll the chart slightly to the left, to the right here, you can see that our first reaction is right here. Okay, so let's put a little mark on there. So why did price react there? I mean, we got a bit of a reaction. Let's get a drawn tool. We got a bit of a reaction here, okay, on the way up, okay, where price came back and went up. Why would that be? We look to the right. Sure enough, you know, a little bit of support. A little bit of previous support there, okay, where price bounced a little bit. So, but why this big reaction? So we get rid of this drawing and we zoom out a little bit more, and we look to the left. This is the area we've just been looking at, okay? We look to the left and look at this. We have a previous major support area, okay? So, and that's why this reacted here as it did. So, you know, I've not covered the subject of space in this video as in depth as I'd like to, or it certainly is needed to, but I think I've shown you what I really wanted to show you, and that's that before getting into a trade, you have to look for where is price gonna run into a trouble, you know, run into problems. I mean, we could predict with fairly high certainty that even before price reached up here, we were going to have problems, and you know, sure enough. Okay, right, that's it for this video, and remember, be picky, be profitable.